cave disappears. The storm grows stronger. There is no way forward and no way back. Using what little strength he has left, he begins digging into the ice. Not a house, but a shelter. Oh, protected from the wind. Small, but warm enough to survive.
Fire becomes life. Warmth replaces fear. The cave begins to feel human.
Snow, protected from the wind. Small, but warm enough to survive. Everything he has is inside one travel bag. Food, fire, hope. Days pass inside the ice. The storm refuses to leave, but neither does hope. Eats last. Because survival is not just about yourself. For the first time in days, the world opens again.
Then the silence changes. The storm begins to retreat.
The roads return. The frozen prison unlocks.
Nature does not care who you are, but if you respect it and stay strong, it may let you live.